In the world of project management, finding a single tool that can handle everything from simple task lists to complex enterprise-level projects is like discovering a hidden gem. Many tools promise this all-in-one solution, but few deliver with the flexibility and breadth of features that ClickUp does. So what exactly can you do on ClickUp? As a project management expert, I can tell you that ClickUp is designed to be the central hub for all your work, regardless of your industry, team size, or preferred methodology. Think of ClickUp not just as a project management tool, but as a customizable operating system for your entire business. It aims to replace multiple standalone applications, your task manager, document editor, chat platform, reporting tool, and more by bringing their core functionalities into a single, interconnected environment. Let's break down the key capabilities that make ClickUp so versatile. 1. Robust task management. At its core, ClickUp excels at task management. This isn't just about creating a to-do list. It's about giving you granular control over every aspect of a task's lifecycle. Task creation and assignment. Easily create tasks, assign them to individuals or multiple team members, and set due dates. You can add detailed descriptions, attach files, and even create subtasks for breaking down larger pieces of work. Customizable statuses. This is where ClickUp truly shines for workflows. You're not stuck with to do and done. You can create custom statuses that perfectly mirror your team's specific processes, e.g., in review, awaiting client feedback, blocked, testing, approved. This provides a clear visual representation of where every task stands. Prioritization. Assign priority levels to tasks, e.g., urgent, high, normal, low, to ensure your team focuses on what matters most. Dependencies. Link tasks together to create dependencies, ensuring that one task cannot start until another is completed. This is crucial for managing project timelines and preventing bottlenecks. Recurring tasks. Automate repetitive tasks by setting them to recur daily, weekly, monthly, or based on custom intervals. 2. Flexible project views. ClickUp understands that different teams and projects require different ways of visualizing work. It offers a wide array of views to suit various preferences and methodologies. List view. A traditional spreadsheet-like view for seeing all your tasks in a detailed list format. Great for quick scanning and bulk editing. Board view. Kanban ideal for visual workflow management, where tasks are represented as cards moved across columns. Statuses, from left to right. Perfect for agile teams and anyone who loves a clear progression. Calendar view. See your tasks and due dates laid out on a calendar, making it easy to plan your schedule and manage deadlines. Gantt chart view. A powerful tool for project planning and tracking, displaying tasks over a timeline with dependencies and milestones. Essential for complex projects with strict deadlines. Table view. Similar to a database, allowing you to organize and filter your data in powerful ways, complete with custom fields. Whiteboards. A free-form canvas for brainstorming, mind mapping, flowcharts, and visual planning. You can embed tasks, documents, and even links directly onto the whiteboard. Workload view. Helps project managers understand team capacity and distribute tasks evenly, preventing burnout and identifying resource constraints. 3. Collaboration and communication hub. Effective communication is the backbone of any successful project. ClickUp integrates various communication features to keep everyone connected. Comments and mentions. Discuss tasks directly within the task itself, reducing email clutter. Use at mentions to tag specific team members and get their attention. Chat view. Create dedicated chat channels for teams, projects, or specific topics, allowing for real-time discussions and quick updates. Docs. Create and collaborate on documents, wikis, and knowledge bases directly within ClickUp. This means your project plans, meeting notes, and important information live alongside your tasks. Proofing and annotations. For creative teams, ClickUp offers robust proofing tools, allowing stakeholders to comment directly on images, PDFs, and other file types, streamlining the feedback process. 4. Automation and efficiency. ClickUp's automation capabilities are game changers for reducing manual effort and ensuring consistency. Custom automations set up rules to automate repetitive actions based on triggers, e.g., when a task status changes, a new task is created, or a due date approaches. Actions can include assigning tasks, sending notifications, updating custom fields, or even moving tasks. Templates create and save templates for tasks, lists, and even entire spaces. This is invaluable for standardizing processes and launching new projects quickly. ClickApps. These are optional add-ons that allow you to customize your workspace with specific features like time tracking, estimations, or sprints, tailoring ClickUp to your exact needs. 5. Reporting and analytics. Understanding project progress and team performance is crucial for making informed decisions. ClickUp offers powerful reporting features. Dashboards. Create custom dashboards with various widgets to visualize key metrics, track progress, monitor team workload, and identify bottlenecks. Custom reports. Generate detailed reports on task completion, time tracking, overdue tasks, and more, providing valuable insights into your operations. Goals. Set clear, measurable goals for your team and track their progress directly against tasks and projects.